Compact your recyclables with vertical balers from our X series. They have strong cross cylinders and a press force of 10 to 50 tons. Our X series balers benefit from a compact design. They have a strong and durable construction and extra low noise level. You can compact numerous types of recyclable waste materials. Compact cardboard boxes. Compact dry soft plastic. These balers have the most compact design on the market, with a low overall height and a wide filling opening. A fast cycle time makes your waste handling quick and efficient. Efficient retainers keep down the waste material. The extra low noise level ensures an optimal working environment. The baler has an automatic full light indicator. You open the door with a strong threaded spindle. Now all waste has been compressed and you can tie off the finished bale. A knife is mounted for cutting straps. Tie off the bale with either strapping or steel wires. You eject the bale by a safe two-handed operation. And then you can remove the finished bale. Compact numerous types of waste. Cardboard, shredded paper, paper sacks, newspapers, dry soft plastic, plastic bottles, plastic jugs, plastic drums, computer cases, big bags, expanded plastic, foam, aluminium cans, food cans, textiles. The X series balers are very compact due to the cross cylinders and easy to install. They have a strong and durable construction. You can compact numerous types of waste. Experience the extra low noise level. And very fast cycle time. The operator is guided with easily understood pictograms and automatic full light indicator. The machines have automatic bale ejection. Our GSM solution. Let your baler talk. A message is sent to the operator when a bale is ready. A message is sent to the collection company when bales are ready for pickup. A message is sent to the local service company when service is required. Try the fully automatic door. Fill in waste from both sides. The door closes and opens again automatically, ready for more waste. A digital auto clock is designed to prevent unauthorized users from operating the baler.